What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Nissan Juke remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2011 to 2017 Nissan Juke, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2025. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the key fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And then we can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, off to the one side we can see there's this little notch right here, and you can tell this remote's been opened several times over the years and it's getting a bit worn, but that notch is right there that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. So I'm just going to put my screwdriver in that notch, then just twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Now what I'm going to do is just take my screwdriver and very carefully just run it along the crack of this case. And as I do that, it's just opening it further. So just take your time and go slowly, go around. Then once it's far enough opened, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here near this metal battery clip. Tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.